Hello friends, how are you? You are watching Suren DC channel and I am your host Suren Verma with a brand new tutorial on how we can add fake camera shake in our clips. Here is my recent work and a very suitable example for fake camera shake. The VFX is totally made by PNG, transparent image files. I tried to show a railway track on my street. And if I show you, you can see this clip is made by transparent PNG. First one is the rail, I disable. Second one is the railway track. Here is the original clip I shoot with my camera, but you can see it was very hard to place the track and the train in the shaky video, so I use a snapshot of the street and make this effect, and now I need to make it shaky again. So how we can do it? You can see it's not looks perfect or a natural scene, so we have to add a camera shake in this. So first we need a original clip with a camera shake. You can use any clip. So I shoot this clip right now. I am working on this tutorial only on my laptop, and we will use this clip to make the shaky effect on the railway on the street. We will open effect and look for the stabilizer effect, wrap stabilizer effect. We type here stabilizer and here is the wrap stabilizer effect. We drag the effect and place on the laptop clip. It will take some time to analyze this clip. In this meanwhile, we just see some important setting of this effect. Here you can see the analyzing progress, and just below it, here is the method we want to use for our shake effect. We will use position because it's the perfect for handheld shake. And another important setting is additional scale. This will be used to maintain the shake by scaling a bit larger to the original clip. Basic concept is to transfer the shake in railway track clip. By all means, we are going to copy the stabilizing data from one clip to another. Let's see how much time it's left to complete it. So let it complete it, and it's completed. Now we will copy. First of all, we select the laptop clip, then we go to the wrap stabilization section and copy it. We select the second clip and simply paste it by Ctrl or Command V, and it's done. I make it some bigger so that you can see it perfectly. Let's play it and notice it's have perfect shake like you have made it with handheld camera. So friends, I repeat the complete process. We use a shaky video clip, apply wrap stabilization effect on it, then copy the effect and paste on our target clip, and it's done. Anyway, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. So that's it. So how was it? I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you like, please press the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe because I used to share my video editing experience, such one you see in this tutorial here only. So please subscribe. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.